Welcome students in online classes of Divine Public School. In this video, students, I am going to cover another chapter of class 9th English textbook Moments. Chapter number 5th, The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. At first, students, summary of the story, The Happy Prince. Statue of the Happy Prince. There stood the statue of the Happy Prince on a tall column in the city. He was gilded all over. He had thin lips of fine gold. He had two bright sapphires for eyes. A large ruby glowed on his sword hilt. A little swallow sits on the statue. A little swallow came and sat on the statue. He decided to spend the night on it. But as he was going to sleep, a large drop of water fell on him. The swallow was amazed. There was no cloud. It rained. The second drop of water made the swallow decide to fly off. The third drop of water made him to look at the statue. It was weeping. Students, इस कहानी में एक शहर में एक अच्छे जगह पर, हम पब्लिक स्क्वायर बोल सकते हैं, वहाँ एक लंबी प्रतिमा बनी हुई थी हैप्पी प्रिंस की। एक दिन एक छोटा स्वेलो उड़ता हुआ आता है और स्टैचू को देखकर निर्णय लेता है कि क्यों ना आज की रात मैं यहीं बिताऊं। स्टैचू के चरणों में, फीट में बैठकर अभी वो सोने वाला ही होता है कि तभी उसके ऊपर a large drop of water fell on him. उसके ऊपर वाटर की एक ड्रॉप गिरती है, बड़ी सी ड्रॉप। वो आश्चर्य में हो जाता है क्योंकि आसमान में कहीं बादल होते ही नहीं हैं, दिखाई ही नहीं देते हैं। तभी दूसरा ड्रॉप गिरता है उसके ऊपर और तीसरा ड्रॉप भी। और जब तीसरा ड्रॉप गिरता है तो लिटिल स्वेलो स्टैचू की तरफ देखता है, उसकी आंखों की तरफ देखता है और पाता है कि इट वॉज वीपिंग। स्टैचू रो रहा था। द स्टैचू स्पीक्स आउट. The statue spoke to the swallow. It said that when it was alive, it had not known what tears were. His courtiers called him a happy prince. Now he sat very high. He saw the miseries of the city. राजकुमार बताता है कि जब वो जीवित था तो उसके जीवन में दुख की परछाई तक नहीं पड़ती थी और अब मरणोपरांत उसकी स्टैच्यू बना दी गई है। शहर में सबसे ऊंचे स्थान पर प्रतिस्थापित कर दिया गया है, जहां से वह शहर के लोगों के दुख दर्द को देखता है। The swallow is sent to help a woman. The happy prince told the swallow that there lived a woman far away. She was a seamstress. She was embroidering flowers on the satin gown of the queen's maid of honor. The maid was to wear it at the next court ball. In the bed there lay ill her little boy. He was suffering from fever. The happy prince asked the swallow to pick the ruby from his sword hilt and give that to the woman. The swallow helps the woman. उस लिटिल swallow ने प्रिंस की बात मानी और कैसे हेल्प की आप सुनिए। First, the swallow said that his friends had gone to Egypt. He was waited for in Egypt. But The happy prince requested him to stay one night more. The swallow agreed. He picked up the ruby and flew to the woman's house. He put the ruby near the woman's thimble. He also fanned the boy's forehead. The boy felt a bit better. He sank into a deep slumber. लिटिल स्वेलो ने हेल्प किया सीमिस्टेस की, रूबी वहां तक पहुंचाया और अपने पंखों की हल्की ठंडक बच्चे को भी दिया. द स्वेलो इज आस्क्ड अगेन टू हेल्प अ प्लेराइट. द स्वेलो फ्lew back to the happy prince. He felt warmer, though it was cold. The happy prince told him that it was because he had done a good act. The swallow wanted to fly to Egypt, but the happy prince told him to stay one more night. He told the swallow that he was a playwright in a little room. He was trying to finish a play for the director of the theatre, but he was too cold to write. He was hungry also. He asked the swallow to pluck one sapphire from his eye and give that to the playwright. The swallow returns to the happy prince. The playwright saw the sapphire. He was happy. Now he hoped to finish the play. The swallow went to the happy prince. He told him that he had come to bid him goodbye. But the happy prince asked him to stay one more night. The swallow is sent to help the match girl. The happy prince told the swallow that there was a little match girl in the square below. All her matches had fallen in the gutter. Her father would beat her if she did not bring home some money. She was crying. He asked the swallow to pluck out the sapphire from his other eye and give that to her. The swallow flew with the sapphire. He put the sapphire into the little girl's hand. The swallow decides to leave with the happy prince. Students, उसने सीमिस्टेस की मदद की हैप्पी प्रिंस के कहने पर, उसने प्लेराइट की मदद की हैप्पी प्रिंस के कहने पर, और साथ ही साथ उसने मैच गर्ल की भी मदद की. अब द स्वेलो डिसाइड टू लीव विद द हैप्पी प्रिंस. उसने क्या निर्णय लिया, सुनिए आगे. द स्वेलो फ्लू बैक टू द हैप्पी प्रिंस. ही टोल्ड द प्रिंस दैट ही वुड स्टे विद हिम एज ही हैड गॉन ब्लाइंड. द हैप्पी प्रिंस आस्क्ड हिम टू फ्लाई ओवर द सिटी एंड टेल हिम व्हाट ही सॉ. ही आल्सो टोल्ड द स्वेलो that the most marvelous thing was human suffering, and human misery was the greatest mystery. The swallow reports what he sees. The swallow flew over the city. He saw hungry children. He also saw many poor people. The happy prince asked him to take leaf after leaf of the fine gold over his body and give to them. The poor now laughed and the children played. Winter sets in. Then there came the snow and then frost. Everything looked white. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder, but he did not leave the happy prince. However, he could no longer keep himself alive. He at last knew that he was going to die. The swallow asked the prince to let him kiss his hand. The prince told him that he was happy he was going to Egypt. So he told him to kiss him on his lips. But the swallow told him that he was not going to Egypt, he was going to the house of death, and he fell down dead. Students. At that moment, there appeared a crack inside the statue. The heart of the happy prince broke into two. The dead swallow lay at its feet. The next morning, the mayor and the town councillors came that way. They looked at the statue. They declared that the happy prince was no longer beautiful, so he was no longer useful. Then they melted the statue in a furnace, but the broken heart did not melt, it was thrown away. God asked one of his angels to bring him the two most precious things in the city. The angel brought him the leaden heart of the happy prince and the dead bird. God told that in the garden of paradise the little bird would sing forever. The happy prince would praise him forever in his city of gold. And now, students, homework. Prepare summary of the chapter and make notes of all characters.